Unlocking the phrase, made in mint, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, made in mint. Get ready to enrich your vocabulary and understand how this phrase can add flavor to your English conversations. Made in mint is not a standard phrase you'd find in regular dictionaries. It seems to be a combination of two familiar English expressions, made in and in mint condition. Made in refers to the origin of a product, where it was manufactured. On the other hand, in mint condition describes something that is in perfect condition, as if it were new. Let's dissect the meanings further. Made in, this is often found on product labels, indicating the country or place of manufacture. Mint condition, this term originates from the way fresh coins, also known as mint, look when they are newly made, flawless and untouched. If you ever hear someone say, made in mint, they might be playfully combining the two expressions. Perhaps they are referring to a product that was made somewhere and is still in perfect condition. It could also be used to emphasize the pristine state of an item, adding a creative twist to the sentence. Let's put made in mint into some example sentences. 1. I bought this vintage car. It was made in Germany and is still in mint condition. 2. This old record player is made in mint. It works as if it's brand new. I hope this explanation has shed some light on the phrase, made in mint. Although it's not a standard expression, it's a playful and creative way to describe something's origin and condition. Thank you for joining today's session, and I hope you found it helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering English phrases in no time.